Good morning. Welcome to your Thursday, September 28th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have a cold front that is just off to our north that will be moving through the region this morning. And with remnants of Maria, Tropical Storm Maria, still off the coast, still churning, will be moving farther out to sea this morning and really just going to be providing us with just some breezier conditions for today. Not quite what we experienced yesterday, but we could be approaching wind advisory limits again later this morning and into the afternoon time frame. But overall, it should be a fairly nice day. Unseasonably warm, but fairly nice, with temperatures rising into the lower 80s for our daytime highs. As far as the local area is concerned, we still have dew points in the mid-60s to the lower 70s across much of the area. Farther northwest, where the cold front has already moved through, those dew points have dropped down into the mid to upper 50s, and that front will be moving through this morning and should start to experience a drop-off in these temperatures overnight tonight into tomorrow, setting the stage for an absolutely gorgeous weekend on tap for us with seasonably pleasant conditions for this weekend. But for today, we'll have northwesterly winds gusting up to possibly 30 miles an hour. Sustained winds looks like it's going to be about 15 to 20 miles per hour later this morning into the afternoon. So again, wind advisory limits are possible as we go into later this morning into the afternoon. Currently currently here at Wallops, we do have a few at 1500 with a northwesterly wind at 12 knots and with a gust of 19 knots according to the 8 a.m. ob, with a temperature of 73 degrees. Our next 24 hours, you can see winds will be the main concern through about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Again, winds should be picking up more so as we go through the later portions of this morning. Should start to see gusts up around 22 knots, possibly getting up to that 25 knot mark closer to the noontime hour. So we do have about a 35% chance that we do have winds hitting that 30 mile per hour mark later this morning into the afternoon. Again, temperatures rising into the mid 80s today. Unseasonably warm, as our average high is normally around the mid 70s. 82 degrees will be the high temperature expected for today. Then overnight tonight, mostly clear skies through much of the night. Winds will be diminishing as we go through the evening and the overnight hours, and temperatures dropping to more seasonable to unseasonably cool levels, as we're expecting a low temperature of 55 degrees overnight tonight under clear to mostly clear skies. Our tides are currently 1 foot above normal, and for our day on Friday, expecting mostly sunny and pleasant conditions with a high of 72 degrees. Friday night will be mostly clear, but we'll start to see some increase in cloudiness overnight as a secondary cold front will be moving through the area, providing a reinforcing shot of cooler air, but it will also possibly trigger a light sprinkle closer to the dawn hours. Friday night into Saturday, we'll have a low of 57 degrees, and then Saturday morning, can't rule out the chance of an isolated shower with that cold front moving through the area and with partly to mostly cloudy skies, but those clouds will quickly diminish, eventually becoming mostly sunny, and it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day on Saturday with a high of 70 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.